Ever dreamed of capturing that perfect aerial shot, but getting a helicopter feels a little out of reach? What if there were drones out there that could not only take stunning photos, but do it with features you never thought possible? Today we're diving into 10 cutting-edge drone technologies that are revolutionizing aerial photography. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a powerful and portable camera drone that takes aerial photography to new heights. With a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor and a 3-axis gimbal, it captures stunning 48 megapixels photos and 4K 60 FPS video. It boasts a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor for incredible HDR video and a max flight time of 34 minutes for epic shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions enhances safety, while intelligent shooting modes like Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 3.0, and POI 3.0 make capturing great content effortless. Compatible with iOS and Android devices, the DJI Fly app allows you to control the drone and view live footage. The Mavic Air 2 comes with a comprehensive kit including an aircraft, remote controller, batteries, propellers, cables, filters, a carrying bag, and more. Number 2. Holy Stone GPS Drone. This foldable drone boasts a 4K camera with a wide-angle view for high-resolution pictures and smooth, stable video transmission, even in challenging conditions. GPS Assist ensures the drone automatically returns home if the signal is lost or the battery runs low, while its intelligent features like Follow Me mode, waypoint flying, and gesture control make it perfect for beginners. With a long flight time of up to 46 minutes thanks to its dual batteries, the Holy Stone GPS drone is sure to elevate your aerial photography experience. Number 3. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is a high-end drone designed for professional aerial photography. It boasts a redesigned camera featuring a large 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor for stunning image quality. For added safety, it comes equipped with 5-direction obstacle sensing to avoid collisions during flight. Refer to the instructional video and user manual for details. The drone's powerful video processing allows for the recording of H.264 4K videos at 60 FPS or H.265 4K at 30 FPS, both with a high bitrate of 100 megabits per second, ensuring smooth and detailed footage. With a maximum flight time of approximately 30 minutes, the Phantom 4 Pro V2 lets you capture breathtaking aerial shots for extended periods. Remember to consult the instructional video and user manual before operating the drone. Number 4. Autel Robotics EVO Lite. The Autel EVO Lite Plus is a professional-grade drone designed for stunning aerial photography and videography. It boasts a 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor for capturing high-resolution 6K video and photos, with an adjustable aperture for creative control over exposure and depth of field. This lightweight drone also features a 3-way obstacle avoidance system for safer flight, an impressive 40-minute flight time, and automatic shooting modes that make it easy to capture professional-looking videos. With a long list of features and a premium bundle packed with accessories, the Autel EVO Lite Plus is a great choice for photographers and videographers looking to take their aerial content to the next level. Number 5. DJI FPV Combo. DJI FPV Combo offers an unparalleled aerial photography experience. Feel like you're soaring through the sky with the DJI FPV Goggles V2 and its super-wide 150-degree field of view, providing a seamless, real-time perspective of your flight. Capture stunning 4K 60 FPS video at up to 120 megapixels, ensuring your footage looks as incredible as the flight itself. Even at high speeds, the DJI FPV prioritizes safety with features like an auxiliary bottom light, smart return to home, and obstacle sensing. The brand new S mode lets you achieve the dynamic FPV look effortlessly, combining manual flight control with the simplified operation of DJI's previous drones. Number 6. Potensic Atom 3-Axis. Take stunning aerial photography on your adventures with the Potensic Atom 3-Axis, a lightweight, under 249 g drone that doesn't require registration with the FAA. This palm-sized marvel features a Sony CMOS sensor and shoots smooth 4K 30 FPS video with its 3-axis brushless gimbal, even in windy conditions. The included 3 batteries with a fast-charging hub provide up to 96 minutes of total flight time, letting you explore for longer. With a range of up to 6 km and creative features like visual tracking and quick shots, the Atom makes capturing cinematic moments a breeze for beginners and experienced flyers alike. Plus, the enhanced GPS and auto-return features ensure safe and steady flight. Number 7. Unique Typhoon H Pro. Winner of the 2016 Consumer Electronics Show, the Unique Typhoon H Pro with Intel RealSense technology was a cutting-edge drone for aerial photography. This hexacopter, with its 6 rotors for added stability, boasted Intel RealSense technology which allowed the drone to avoid obstacles and capture smooth footage. Number 8. DJI F7 Series GPS. The DJI F7 Series GPS is a mini drone under 250 grams, conveniently foldable and free of FAA registration in the US, making it perfect for on-the-go aerial photography. This beginner-friendly drone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a shock-absorbing mount for crisp footage, along with a long 60-minute flight time thanks to its double batteries. With features like Follow Me mode, waypoint flying, and wind resistance, the DJI F7 Series GPS is a great option for capturing stunning aerial videos and photos. Number 9. RADCLO F11 PRO. Looking for a beginner-friendly drone with impressive features for aerial photography? The RADCLO F11 PRO might be your perfect choice. This FAA-compliant drone boasts a lengthy 60-minute flight time thanks to its dual batteries, making it ideal for capturing expansive landscapes or long events. With its 4K camera, 120-degree field of view lens, and adjustable camera angle, you can shoot stunning visuals with vivid colors and clarity. The F11 PRO also prioritizes ease of use with beginner settings and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me or Point of Interest. For added stability, it features a level 6 wind resistance and a durable build, while the GPS auto return home ensures a safe flying experience. Number 10. 4DV4 Drone. Capture stunning aerial footage with the 4DV4 drone. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera that adjusts within 90 degrees, this drone boasts a wide-angle view for capturing unforgettable moments from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer, the 4DV4 offers a variety of flight modes and features like high-speed rotation, 3D flips, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing for easy control. Plus, the included gesture control and waypoint programming allow you to creatively plan your flight path. With safe design elements, a long flight time thanks to the dual batteries, and a compact foldable design, the 4DV4 is the perfect companion for photography adventures on the go. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more drone content. We'll be diving deeper into specific technologies, showcasing stunning aerial footage, and sharing tips to take your drone photography to the next level.